Do you love roses? There's something truly magical about these timeless flowers. Their vibrant colors, captivating fragrance, and the elegance they bring to any garden make them a favorite for many gardeners. But did you know there are several ways to propagate roses, allowing you to grow more of these beauties in your garden? In today's video, we'll explore the most effective rose propagation methods. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, there's a technique here for you. Let's start with one of the most popular methods, propagation by cuttings. This technique is straightforward and yields great results. Here's how you do it. Select a healthy stem. Choose a stem that's about 6 to 8 inches long and has a few leaves. Make sure it's healthy, disease-free, and not too woody. Cut the stem. Use sharp, clean scissors or pruning shears to make a clean cut just below a leaf node. Remove the lower leaves, leaving only a couple of leaves at the top. Dip in rooting hormone. Although optional, dipping the cut end in rooting hormone can increase the chances of success. Plant the cutting. Place the cutting in a pot filled with a mix of perlite and peat moss. Water it well and cover the pot with a plastic bag to create a humid environment. Wait for roots to develop. Keep the pot in a warm, bright spot but out of direct sunlight. In a few weeks you should see roots beginning to form. In a few months, your cutting will grow into a young rose plant ready to be transplanted into your garden. Next, we have propagation by layering, a method that's as old as gardening itself. This technique works best for roses with long, flexible stems. Here's how you do it. Choose a low, flexible stem. Pick a stem close to the ground that's flexible enough to bend without breaking. Make a small cut. Where the stem touches the ground, make a small cut or scrape on the underside to expose the inner tissue. This encourages root growth. Bury the stem. Bury the wounded part of the stem in the soil, leaving the tip exposed. You can use a small stone or wire to hold the stem in place. Water and wait. Keep the soil moist and wait. After a few months, the buried section will develop roots. Once the roots are well established, you can cut the new plant from the parent and transplant it elsewhere in your garden. For those looking to combine the hardiness of one rose with the beauty of another, grafting is the way to go. This method requires more skill, but it's well worth the effort. Here's how you do it. Prepare the rootstock and scion. Choose a healthy rootstock and a scion, the part you want to propagate, from another rose. Make matching cuts. Cut the rootstock and scion at an angle so that they fit together perfectly. The cambium layers, the green tissue just under the bark, should align. Join and secure. Place the scion on the rootstock and secure it tightly with grafting tape or a rubber band. Seal the graft. Use grafting wax to seal the area, preventing it from drying out. Over time, the two parts will grow together and you'll have a robust plant with the best traits of both. Lastly, propagation by seeds is another method, though it requires patience. This technique is often used to create new rose varieties. Here's how you do it. Collect rose hips. In the fall, collect ripe rose hips, the fruit of the rose, from your plants. Extract the seeds. Cut the hips open and remove the seeds. Clean them thoroughly to remove any pulp. Stratify the seeds. Place the seeds in a damp paper towel inside a plastic bag and store them in the refrigerator for 8 to 12 weeks. This cold period mimics winter and is crucial for germination. Plant the seeds. After stratification, plant the seeds in a seed-starting mix and keep them warm and moist. With time and care, your seeds will sprout, and you'll have new rose plants to add to your garden. Roses are a gardener's dream, and with these propagation methods, you can fill your garden with even more of these beautiful blooms. Whether you choose cuttings, layering, grafting, or seeds, each method offers its unique rewards. So why not give it a try and watch your love for roses grow? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!